The world is full of surprises and facts. There are countless interesting facts about the world. Today in this video, we will get to know the few diverse and intriguing facts about the world. Before starting, make sure you have liked the video and hit subscribe button. Let's start with number 1. Do you know? Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey's long shelf life is due to its low water content and acidic pH, creating an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms. Number 2, bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. In botanical terms, bananas qualify as berries because they develop from a flower with a single ovary. On the other hand, strawberries are not true berries. They are classified as aggregate fruits because they form from a flower with multiple ovaries. Number 3, the Eiffel Tower can grow taller in the summer. Due to thermal expansion, the iron structure of the Eiffel Tower expands in the heat of the summer and contracts in the winter. This can cause the tower's height to vary by up to 6 inches, which is equal to 15 centimeters. Number 4. The chemical name for the protein known as titin has 189819 letters. It would take hours to pronounce and has little practical use, but it's recognized as the longest word in the English language. Number 5. Octopuses have 3 hearts. These marine animals have 2 pump blood to the gills and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. Additionally, octopuses are known for their exceptional problem-solving skills and complex behaviors. Number 6. The Great Wall of China is not visible from the moon. Contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall is not easily visible from space without aid. Astronauts have mentioned that it is challenging to see with the naked eye from low Earth orbit. Number 7. The blue whale's heart is the size of a car. The heart of a blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, can weigh as much as 2,000 pounds, which is equal to 907 kilograms and is about the size of a small car. Subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.